This is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge. I have two returning customers. The last time I did a video of them, we never had the chance to copy it because I didn't have enough memory. Yeah. So I want you guys, this is the shrimp in reggae sauce right here. All right, this is my invention. So don't go asking nobody for that. And this is pumpkin vegetable rice, so don't go asking no Jamaican people. And this is my jerk pork. See, look at the jerk pork. All right, now on camera, while I want them to taste while I'm recording, because I gotta cook for some other folks. I'm gonna get to them. I know they're dying for hunger, but I want them to taste on camera. Okay, he beat her to the punch.
Good. Good stuff, man. You need to come here and get this good food.
All right.
Really good.
So I'm going to let him take a breath because it just boom shaka attack him. Yep. Then I'm going to come back to him. For you, the pork?
Totally awesome.
Totally awesome. Respect. So that's the jerk. And so, shrimp and reggae sauce. These people was here the other day. I did a video. They come back for more punishment.
Yep.
Then I had a new set of people coming here. I told them they have to wait. They're chilling. I love it. I'm cooking their food. I'm going to make them some reggae chips. Where you guys from? She live in Jamaica, but I'm not going to bother her till the food come. Because she Where you guys from? New York, right? Canada. America. Canada. All right, so when their food come, this is his wife. When the food come, you guys going to see the response. So now I'm going to bring them out the reggae chips, but I had to take care of these people first. Everything is done here. By order, you get special attention. So if you're rushing, don't come to Mosha Reggae Lounge. Respect. All right, folks. Now I got part 2 of the second crew of people that I said that I was making them the reggae chips and they wasn't saying anything. Now let's hear what they got to say. How was the reggae chips, guys?
Delicious.
You see it on camera? I just asked them. And you not talk, man. I want you to say something. You not say nothing?
You're fine.
You fine? She read, you know, she concentrate. But look, that's the reggae chips. All right, now I'm doing the jerk for them, right? So we're gonna do it when they get the jerk. I do everything on camera so you know everything is transparent. Now, my boy over here, he finished the shrimp in reggae sauce. Talk about the
yeah, that shrimp was great, man. That shrimp in reggae sauce, that was delicious.
Tell him about your experience here in Dominican Republic with Jamaican food and whatever. And
this is the spot to come to.
All right.
No other spot.
There you go. He set it up.
I'm Jamaican, so I can tell you. This is the spot to come to.
Kick them some pato, man.
Yeah, man. Just come to the spot. You get some good food. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And his wife. What about your pork? Look, this pork speak for itself. Look there.
It was
Look at the pork. Gone!
Awesome.
It gone at the broad.
Yeah, the food good, man.
It was awesome.
Some great food.
Awesome cook.
All right, thank you.
Awesome.
All right.